This is what this bad boy is going to sound like, and hopefully in the future we can get it to stupid horsepower, over 1,000 if I've got the money.
This is the new merch that's coming out, and you better get it today because it'll almost be sold out. Please support my daddy with new merch. All the links will be down below in this description below, so you can get this amazing, fantastic cup that has ever been born in the cup history.
Yes, we are finally getting to work on this. I've done the full rebuild on the engine, so check out them videos, and what we're going to be doing next is lots and lots of body work. So we've just got, you can't see but believe me, like you can see, the bottom of this is completely rusty, but the underneath is perfect, and the top from 3 or 4 inches up is absolutely perfect. So it's just the lower part. So we're doing loads of videos on how to repair, how to make panels, how to weld in panels, all different types of welding, braze welding or brass welding, MIG welding, you name it, we're going to be showing it in these videos. You can see now this one is going to take time because, like everything, I haven't got the money just to stop work completely and go at this. So these videos are going to be, once I get a panel out, once I get a bit of free time, I'm going to do it. So it's going to take a while. I'm not like these other YouTubers that are multi-millionaires that can just do one project at a time. Unfortunately, I can't afford that. So these videos will come out, they're just going to take time. Unless, of course, a company wants to sponsor me. Could you imagine then what we could do with this? So hit me up if you want to do that. But if not, yeah, they'll just take time. But we're going to be showing everything on this: painting, welding, panels, repairing panels, welding new panels in, all sorts, putting the engine in. And I really want to do something with the wheels at the back because they're not big enough for the power that's going in this. Now it's going to be over 400 horsepower with anti-lag. And yeah, but again, it depends on my budget, it depends on a lot of things too, what I've got in my head, what I really want to do with it, and then practical, what I can afford to do with it, if that makes sense. Has anyone seen Father Ted? Now, it's my new hammer holder. Right, we are also going to be doing a full restoration on this Citroen. Again, the videos are going to be, these might be a bit more common than the Transit one at the minute. And what we've got to do with this is, as you can see, we've got some really bad wings. We actually have 2 brand new wings for it, which is absolutely awesome. But then we've got other issues with this car which you can't quite see, but all the bottom again is gone. We was going to originally completely take it off the frame, because this is actually built on a frame, believe it or not. But we're slightly doing it differently because of just the circumstances that have happened. So I'm going to be actually doing the body, all the body first, rather than separate it, because I'm still in temporary units. If I start stripping all this and then I have to move again for whatever reason, or I find a better place or whatever it is, I'm going to be screwed. So we're doing this slightly different. But again, rain is unreal. The issues we have with this is, you can see, so down here, this is completely missing. Now I'm going to have to make, see this special panel here, you cannot buy it. So I'm going to have to make all that from scratch and weld it all in there. So I'm going to be showing you, just like I did on the BMW, I'm going to be showing you how to make panels with this, how to weld panels in, how to do all that. You can see the wing here is completely gone on this side as well. And yeah, so it's going to be interesting, all the different techniques that we're going to be showing on this. Again, MIG welding, brazing, all that. Brazing, now what I mean by brazing is I mean brazing with the MIG welder. So all that So stay tuned, let me know which one you're more interested in. 400 horsepower Cosworth with anti-lag, sorry, 400 horsepower Transit with anti-lag with a 550 horsepower Cosworth in there. And we've actually got, we haven't seen for a while, Stephen! We've actually got, you can't see it, but there is the beast of the engine. There is the Cosworth engine for the van. So let me know which one you're going to be more interested in, the Citroen repair videos or the Transit repair videos. Now the beauty of both of them, because some people are going to prefer the Citroen ones because they prefer the Citroen to a Transit and vice versa. But the beauty of both of these videos, whether you like Citroen or Transits, is the techniques we're going to be using. So even if you don't particularly like a Citroen or you don't like a Transit, it's not so much the vehicle we work on, it's the techniques we're going to be showing you. So how to make panels, how to weld panels in, how to line stuff up, how to paint, how to fill, all that sort of stuff is going to be shown in these videos. So it's not really about the car in that sense, it's more about the techniques and the tips and tricks you can get from both videos, if that makes sense, which hopefully it should. So, you know, there's, just because you don't particularly like this car or the other one, there's still things to be learned, if that makes sense. So as always, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Links up here, links down below, and most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.